Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix flickering white dots appearing all over the display screen in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Properties. Click Rollback Driver, if available. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.